Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn. Today we are going to complete Activity 4 English Bridge course for Standard 8th. Let's start. When anyone reads a story or lesson in Marathi or Hindi, you listen and understand it. It's very simple as you are familiar with most of the words in it. When you listen any sentence or a paragraph in English, the main difficulty in your understanding the difficult words or unfamiliar bits. This activity will help you to note down the difficult unfamiliar bits while listening so as to ask questions later. What you have to do? Listen carefully the difficult unfamiliar bits, words and note them into your copies. Afterwards, ask about difficult unfamiliar words, meanings and their pronunciations. यही करना है आपने. ध्यानपूर्वक सुनना है. अपरिचित मुश्किल शब्द नोट डाउन करने हैं. बाद में उसका अर्थ उच्चारण पता करना है. ओके? Listen carefully. Chintu is watching hoarding. Hoarding, large advertisement boards, विज्ञापन रोड पर होते हैं ना. Hoarding. He lives in rural area, rural countryside, ग्रामीण भाग. मृदंगम produces melodious sounds. मृदंगम मृदंग ढोलक जैसा एक वाद्य, उसमें मधुर ध्वनि निकलती है. फोटोग्राफी वॉज हिज हॉबी. फोटोग्राफी छायाचित्रण. एक्सप्लिसिट. एक्सप्लिसिट मीन्स डायरेक्ट और क्लियरली एक्सप्रेस्ड. स्पष्ट प्रकट बात बताना. इन वाक्यों के अर्थ अनफेमिलियर वर्ड्स मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिए. पर इसी तरह आपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नए शब्द सीखना है. डिक्शनरी का यूज़ आपने करना है. अब मैं और कुछ सेंटेंसेस पढ़ रही हूँ. नोट डाउन डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स एंड देन यूजिंग इंग्लिश टू हिंदी और इंग्लिश टू मराठी डिक्शनरी गेट द मीनिंग्स. ओके? लिसन केयरफुली एंड नोट डाउन द अनफैमिलियर words. My friends helped me in my tough time. Diversity in India makes it vibrant. Vegetables are important protective food. Agriculture was the main occupation of his family. Eyes are delicate organ of our body. In India, tomato grows in abundance during winter. We need to take an initiative in tree planting. Students, have you noted the difficult words? Okay. One more activity. See this sentence. They are often late. कुछ अलग है ना? Spelling OFTEN. और मैंने पढ़ा often. T is silent. क्या आप जानते थे? अगर हाँ, ओके. अगर नहीं तो आज आपको पता चल गया क्योंकि आपने ध्यान से सुना है ना. अब यह पढ़ो. लेट. लेट नहीं, लेट. आई एम लेट टू स्कूल टुडे. वन मोर वर्ड. फेब्रुअरी. February. Listen to some more words with silent letters. Listen carefully and practice them. No, doubt, wrist, knife, wrapper, high, sign, muscle, listen, island, talk, wood, Wednesday, calm, scheme, are, All these words have a silent letter. Practice them. Okay. Students, you have to read or listen lesson, story, poem from your textbook and note down more difficult unfamiliar beats, words while listening so that you can ask questions later. Go on listening news in English on the mobile or television and note down difficult or unfamiliar beats. Listening is must. One more listening practice for you. Listen carefully and note down difficult words. Giraffe is the tallest terrestrial animal which comes under the category of mammals. The color of the giraffe varies from light brown to dark chocolate brown. Every giraffe has unique black color spots that differ in shape and size. Giraffes are generally 6 meters in height and weigh up to 2000 kg. Giraffe is a four-legged animal and have a long neck and a tail. Giraffe prefers to live in hot climates and generally found in dry savannas of Africa. Giraffe is a herbivorous animal who used to eat twigs and leaves, etc. The average lifespan of a giraffe is up to 25 to 40 years. Giraffe only sleep for 5 to 30 minutes in a day and drink a small amount of water. Giraffe can easily find their predators with the help of their long necks. Have you listened carefully, students? Then take a dictionary and try to find out the meanings of unfamiliar words. Go on listening. We shall meet with a new activity very soon.